Okay, so I want us to trade over unders market, and we'll just trade using that is a normal bot. We'll do the analysis, execute the trades, and let's see how the market turns out. So you just need to go to this section for the free bots, then just click that is the autos, then look for this robot you call the Elite Hunter AI, this one. So just click load and give it time for it to load. That is on our bot builder. So we'll actually be trading that is over 2 with over 4 recovery. So in case of allows the robot to switch to over 4, once we make a recovery, switches back to over 2. Okay, so we just do the setup, then get on the advanced analysis, do the analysis, then come back to the board builder and start the execution. So I'll do a stake of 35 USD, then target profit will only target 150 USD. Then for the stop loss, we're gonna list like half of these accounts, so we'll set a stop loss at around 400. Okay, so once we spot the entry, we'll just come and set that is the volatility, whichever the volatility of our choice. Then after that, we'll just click run. Okay, so the robot will actually get the entry. Okay, so let's go to the advanced analysis and get to do the analysis. So we need to adjust these ticks to 1000. So just a minute. Good one. We have already set the ticks to 1000. The next thing we need to do, we'll actually add some more tools. So just click add analysis. Then on this part, we're gonna add the LDP, so that at least we can see the occurrence of that is over unders digit. So just click over unders LDP, and because we are trading over 2 with over 4 recovery, you need to make sure that this one reads over 4. Yeah, the next thing that you'll do, we'll actually add one more tool. So just click add analysis, and the next tool that we'll add is the over unders percentage. Okay, and make sure this is over 4 market. Then for these over unders percentage, we can work with something like let's say like 500 ticks. Okay, so let me set these to something like 500 ticks. Okay, good one. So we'll set 500 like that. So now we have 3 instances. The first instance is we have that is the circles. Second one, we have the LDP. The third one, we have the percentage. Okay, now for us to trade over 4, because we are trading over 2 market with over 4 recovery, we need to analyze over 4 market, and the strategy is very simple. The blue bar, the green bar, and the yellow bar should all be above digit 4. The next thing that you do, then the red bar should be from digit 4 and below. Then the next thing that you do, once you come on the LDP, you should only start your execution the moment the over digits starts dominating the market. Okay, so let me show you. Let's look for a volatility where all those 3 digits are actually above. So now we have a good one. Yeah, so you can actually see all the bars are above, the red bar is below, which is okay. Now this is for a 25 1s. Let's see the occurrence of over digits. I can actually see the over digits are actually dominating the market. Now let's go to see the percentage. 25 1s, of course it should be more than 50%. Over 4 market is more than 50%. If you check these the occurrence of over digits, it's that is over digits are actually dominating. Volatility is 25 1s. We get straight to the bot, set volatility 25 1s. Then the next thing that you do, just click start. So the robot will start the execution. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna hit our target profit. That's a loss. So the robot has switched to over 4 markets. That's another loss. Next trade recovery, boom, loss. Woo! Wakana mwaki. Okay, good one. Let's go. So that's why I always say, like, you need 4 consecutive losses. Yeah. So in case you set 3, you can easily hit 3 consecutive losses. But once you set 4, at least you'll be good to go. So now at least we are halfway the journey. Good one. So we need like that's a loss. Recovery now. A loss. Recover now. A good one. Yeah. Okay. So you should always set your TP so close, but I think I did set even my TP very, very far. So you can actually see how we did it. We took 20 trades, 14 wins, and just 6 losses. Yeah. Now, if we get on this other side, if you go to the advanced analysis, So you just need to make sure, like, this stuff is very simple, but the market, I think, almost changed because I wasted a lot of time explaining a lot of stars. Now let's see how the market is right now. Of course, I'm very sure the market has changed when it comes to that is okay. Okay, so you can actually see how the market is. You can actually see. Let me set to like 1000 ticks, and let's see. You can actually see, yeah, the market has changed. Let's go to 25 1s. Yeah, you can actually see, okay, when it comes to the bars, you can actually see nothing much has actually happened. Yeah, so it's very simple. If you check here, you can actually see how many trades we took. We took 20 trades, 14 wins and just 6 losses, closed at a profit of 150 US dollars. So you just need to get on AI traders and do the analysis, execute your trades. Then as you take your trades, make sure you have another device that is beside you where you can actually be able to check, to confirm the market as you execute your trades. Beside me, I have a laptop. Let me show you. I have a laptop which I'm actually using. I'm actually confirming how the market is actually doing. You can actually see it right here. So don't just execute the market with just one device. If you check the market the market has already changed. You can actually see like right now, even the red bar is on the upper side. Actually, the blue bar was on digit 2. So you need to have an extra device that is just beside you, so that at least when you're actually doing your analysis, at least when you're actually executing your trades, you can always confirm the market. In case you see there are some changes in the market, what do? The moment you make a win in the next trade, just stop. Just pause your trade and do some more analysis. So that's how we did it. $150. This week we actually started with around $800 account. Right now we have pushed it to $996. That's almost $1,000. So let's see how far we're gonna push this account by the end of the week. Goodbye.